Grog hold small metal tooth, edge jagged, surface cold, shiny. Grog try scrape mud from foot, tooth too dull, useless tool. Grog bite metal, me feel jaw crack, taste like old pennies. Humans say this magic tooth open dry box. You call it home, Grog call it cage. Box is just wood, stack of stone, mud baked in sun, glass made from sand, material cheap, earth give ingredients free. Yet young hunter weep for this pile.
Suit sleeves say, sign paper, get key.
Suit sleeves say, cost is 30 years. 30 years of hunt. Gone. Grog check ancient math. Old hunter build hut in 1 moon. Gather sticks, pack clay, done. Shelter cost sweat. Shelter not cost future. Rest of life free for hunt. Modern hunter different. Now Grog in trap. Hunt, pay, sleep. You work to pay for box. You sleep in box to work more. Box not shelter. Box is battery storage. Logic broken. Chief say house is biggest asset. Wrong. Asset put meat in pocket. House take meat out of pocket. House is hungry stone pet. It eat repairs. It eat heat. It eat tax. But price of box always go up. You think box get better? You think wood turn to gold? Wood stay wood. Something else is rotting. Let Grog show you village record. Grog look back at time. Old scroll show true cost of shelter. 2 generations ago, house cost 2 years of hunt, 2 years wage. Then tribe member free. Today, house cost 10 years, maybe 20. Why house become luxury item? Did trees get rarer? No. Did mud turn to diamond? No. House stay same. It is the measuring stick that shrank. You measure value with painted paper. Chief call it dollar, euro, yen. Grog call it melting ice. When tribes sleep, chief press button. Big machine go whirr. Infinite paper mode. Trillions of new leaves drop from sky. No sweat attached. No hunt required. This is the theft. When leaves cover ground, leaves worth less. You need bucket of leaves to buy 1 apple. You need mountain of leaves to buy 1 hut. Inflation is invisible tax. It steal meat from your plate while you eat. Now look at house price. You see number go up. You think you getting rich. Wrong. You just stayin' afloat. Imagine you stand in rising water. House is wooden raft. Look, me go up. No, water go up. You just not drowning yet. House is hedge against rotting money. System know this. System love this. Because fear of drowning make you panic. You run to bank, beg for raft. Please, take my future, give me wood. Banker smile, hand you heavy chain. Call it opportunity. Now Grog, check the knot. You think you buy house? Actually, you buy giant debt product. House is just the bait on the hook. You swallow hook deep. Now ink begin to bleed. Read the contract. Tiny words say APR. APR sound like friendly spell. It is hunger spell. Imagine you borrow 1 big mammoth. Bank say pay me back slow. Very kind, very gentle. But bank clock is ticking. Every moon, mammoth owe, baby mammoth. Interest is meat that breeds debt. Grog count piles. You borrow 1 house worth of stone. Over 30 years, you pay 3 houses.
2 houses vanish into glass tower. Suit sleeve, thank you for donation. You work late. You miss sun. You hunt 3 deer to keep 1 leg. This is amortization. Fancy word for front-loaded pain. First 10 years, you pay almost 0 debt. You pay only rent on the money. You rent the debt, not the house. Now grog and trap. Pay interest, eat it, principal stay same. System is genius. If you stop paying, bank take house. If value drop, you trapped in underwater cage. Me feel rope pull. Neck burn. But everyone do it. Herd run off cliff together does not mean cliff is soft. You are yield cattle. You graze on office carpet so bank can eat steak. Bank harvest your time. Chief call it financial product. You are the product. Dry box is just the crate they keep you in. Grog offers strategy. Do not worship the stone pile. House is tool, like spear, like shoe. Tool serve you. You not serve tool. But rent is throwing money away. Wrong. Rent is buying patience. Rent buy freedom to move, freedom to leave. When roof leak, landlord fix, you sleep. When pipe burst, landlord pay, you eat. Rent is a maximum price. Mortgage is a minimum price. Do the true math. Add up interest, tax, rot, repair. Compare this to rent cost. Often, renting costs less meat than owning. Take extra meat. Buy real assets. Buy pieces of the tribe businesses. Buy freedom. But I want the dream home. Dream is marketing spell. Chief want you anchored. Tribe member with heavy debt does not rebel. Tribe member with heavy debt work late. Debt is the chain. House is the ball. If you must buy, buy small. Buy ugly box. Fix ugly box. Do not buy biggest box bank allow. Buy smallest box that keep rain off head. Live below means. This sound like punishment. It is power. Gap between earning and spending is your shield. If gap big, you are king. If gap zero, you are slave. Big house often means 0 gap. Gilded cage is still cage. Look at metal tooth again. Grog hold key in light. It is not magic. It is just access to a dry room. Do not trade 30 years of sun for it. Home is not walls. Home is where you sleep soundly. No debt is softest pillow. Drop the heavy weight. Keep your future. Let the stone sit. You walk free.